In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Loop template. Whether you're coordinating a project, managing tasks, or just looking to streamline your workflow, creating a template in Microsoft Loop can be a fantastic way to do so. Let's dive into the process and get you started on making your own template. First, you'll want to create a new page. To do this, start by opening Microsoft Loop, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're in, you'll see the option to open a workspace, essentially the hub where you'll create and manage all your pages and templates. After selecting your desired workspace, look for the button that says New Page. Clicking this will take you to a fresh canvas where you can start crafting your template. Now that you're on this blank page, it's time to give your template a name. Think about the purpose of the template and come up with a name that reflects its use. This helps not only in organizing your work, but also in quickly finding the template when you need it later. With the page and name set up, the next step is to create sections you might want to reuse. These sections act as building blocks for your template and can include anything relevant to your needs, such as headers, lists, or placeholders for content. One of the great features in Microsoft Loop is the ability to insert components, which makes your template more dynamic and functional. To do so, simply type the /voici on your page. This command brings up a menu of components that you can add. Let's go over some useful components that can help streamline your tasks. Start with the task list. By typing voici task list, you can easily create a list where you can assign tasks to different team members. This is incredibly useful for project management, ensuring everyone knows what they need to do. Next, consider inserting a table by typing table. Tables are perfect for organizing data, comparing elements, or tracking various items in a structured way. They help keep information clear and easy to digest. If you're the kind of person who enjoys tracking items off as you go, the checklist component is your friend. By typing checklist, you'll create sections where you can tick items off once they're completed, which is not only satisfying, but also keeps everyone in the loop on what still needs to be done. Lastly, if you need to make quick decisions as a team, try including a voting table. Typing voting table allows team members to have their say on various options, making the decision-making process more interactive and democratic. There you have it, a complete walkthrough on creating a valuable Microsoft Loop template. By following these steps, you can craft templates that enhance productivity and collaboration. Make sure to tweak each component to best suit your project needs, and soon you'll see how much more efficient your workflow becomes. Thanks for watching and happy template crafting.